Exercise 9.1, question number 9, applications of trigonometry, class 10. The question says the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the buildings. So first of all, let us draw a ground, and now we have a tower and then we have a building. Okay, so this is the tower, and this is our building, right? So this is our building. Okay, now it is saying, let's read the first line. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. That means this angle is 30 degree given to you. And the second line reads, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is, okay, this angle is given to be 60 degree. Fine. And now it is asking us if the tower is 50 meter high, that means this tower is 50 meter high. This length is 50 meter. So we have to find the height of the building. That means this height we need to find. So now let's name it as A, B, C, D. So now in the figure you can see there are two triangles, two clear triangles you can see. One is triangle ABC. Okay, so you can see this triangle. This triangle is A, B and C. So this is the triangle, and in this triangle you are given the height of the tower, that is 50 meter. This length is given to you, and also the angle 60 degree is given to you. Okay, so what we can do from this, we can find the base BC. Okay, we can find the distance between the tower and the building. Why we need to find this distance? Because in the second triangle CDB, in this triangle, if we are given BC, because this BC will be finding from the previous triangle ABC. So with the use of this BC, we will be able to find the height of the building. So first of all, we will choose triangle ABC. So we'll write in triangle ABC. Okay, so in this triangle, if you want, I will draw it again for you, this triangle. Let us draw it separately. This is the triangle ABC, where this angle is 90 degree and this angle is given to be 60 degree, and this length is 50 meter, and this is triangle ABC. So in this triangle, we know the side opposite because 50 meter is the side opposite, and BC is adjacent side. So this is adjacent side and this is opposite side, and we know tan of theta is equal to side opposite upon side adjacent. So in this triangle, theta is given to be 60 degree. So tan of 60 degree will be 50 upon BC. Okay, side adjacent and BC. Now 60 degree means root 3. And this is equal to 50 upon BC. So this implies BC is equal to 50 upon root 3 meter. I am not rationalizing it right now. So let it be like this only. Now next we will consider in triangle BCD. Let me draw this triangle again for you for your convenience. This is 90 degree and this angle is given to be 30 degree. And this is D, this is C, and this is B. Now angle is 30 degree, so this will be the adjacent side and this CD will be the opposite side. Again, this BC now we know is 50 upon root 3, right? So why we can make use of this. So in this triangle, tan of 30 degree, okay, because angle is 30 degree, so tan of 30 degree will be equal to CD upon BC. Let's put the values. Tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. CD we need to find, so let it be CD only. And BC is 50 upon root 3. Okay, so we'll cross multiply. This will go up here. So the CD will be 1 upon root 3 into 50 upon root 3. So this will be 50 upon 3 meters, and this is what we needed to find. So this is height of the building is 50 upon 3 meter. This is the height of the building. Okay, so height of the building we found it as 50 upon 3 meter. So this is our answer. Question number 10, exercise 9.1, applications of trigonometry, class 10. Question number 10 says, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevations of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So first of all, let us draw the ground. Say this is the ground on which this is the road actually. Okay, on the either side of the road, two poles of equal height, okay, are standing. So there is one pole standing on this side, and of the same height there is another pole standing on the other side of the road. Okay, now it is saying at some point on the road between them, at some point, say this is the point, from here the angle of elevation from a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Okay, so this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Let's name this A, B, C, D and E, and we know AB and DE. These are the two poles and they are of equal heights. Okay, now what we have to find is, we have to find the height of the poles. That means we have to find AB and ED. बोथ आर सेम, दोनों ही सेम हाइट है. ए बी और डी इनको हमें फाइंड करना है. और आपसे पूछा गया है एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पॉइंट फ्रॉम द पोल्स. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड बी सी एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव टू फाइंड सी डी. सो दीज टू you need to find, right? So first of all, let us assume that this length AB is x and ED is also x. Okay, now let's try to find BC from triangle ABC. So let us first consider triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, okay, theta is given to be, that means angle is given to be 60 degree. So BC will be the side adjacent. BC is adjacent side and AB is the opposite side. Okay, so again, okay, so we'll make use of tan 60 degree, tan theta, because tan theta is the ratio of the opposite side and the adjacent side. So opposite side is AB, adjacent side is BC. Okay, so tan 60 degree, the value is root 3, AB is x and BC we don't know. So BC will be equal to x upon root 3. Okay, so this length BC is, this length we have found as x upon root 3. Now what is given to you? Now in triangle EDC, okay, EDC, theta is 30 degree, fine. So CD will be the adjacent side. So CD is adjacent side and ED is opposite side. Okay, so again tan 30 degree is equal to adjacent opposite side upon adjacent side. That means ED upon CD. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, and ED is x and CD we don't know, so let it be CD. So CD will be root 3 into x. Okay. Now one more information we have is, it is saying two equal poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. That means we have BD. This is given to us as 80 meter, and now we know BC is x by root 3 and CD is root 3x. So now look, given BD, okay, 80 meter, it is given here. See, BD is 80 meter, the road is 80 meter wide and the poles are standing on the either side of the road. So BD how will we get is, BD कैसे मिलेगा, BC plus CD से मिलेगा. तो BC plus CD is equal to 80 meter. Now BC we found is x by root 3. So put the value x by root 3 and CD is root 3x. So this is suppose 1, this is suppose 2. From 1, BC is equal to x by root 3 and CD is equal to root 3x is equal to 80 meter. Now what we'll do, we'll take the LCM here. So LCM will be root 3. So this will be x plus root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to 80. So this implies 4x is equal to 80 root 3, or we can say x is equal to 80 upon 4 root 3. 4 20s are 80. So this x is equal to 20 root 3. That means now we know the height of the poles. So height of the poles will be, so height of poles is equal to 20 root 3 meter, and the distance BC is equal to how much? Distance BC is x by root 3. So 20 root 3 upon root 3. So it will be 20 meter. Okay, because it is x by root 3. And CD is how much? Root 3x. So root 3 and value of x is 20 root 3. So root 3 gets multiplied. So this is 60 meter. So what we have found, that this BC is equal to 20 meter and this CD is equal to 60 meter, and then only it will make sum up to 80. Question number 11, exercise 9.1, applications of trigonometry, class 10. Question number 11 says, a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From the another point 20 meter away from the point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. See the given figure. The figure is given to you. Find the height of the tower and the width of the CD and 20 meter from the pole AB. Okay. So now what it is saying is, you are given the figure. This is a tower. Okay. This is the tower and it stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So this is given to you as 60 degree. Now from another point 20 meter away, that means this is a point D which is 20 meter away from the point C. From this point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. This is 30 degree given to you. Okay. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the height of the tower. Okay. And also we have to find BC. Okay. So let's start solving this question. The figure is drawn for us. So first of all, let us consider, because this length is given to you and BC is not given to you. Okay. So let this BC be x. So let us write this BC as x. So this is x. Okay. Now let's choose triangle. In triangle ABC, C. That means I am choosing this triangle ABC, this red one. Okay, so let us consider in triangle ABC, angle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Okay, and also angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. It is a right angle triangle, and we have to find the height. Okay, so AB. So let us establish a relation between the base and the perpendicular. That means the side adjacent is x, side adjacent, this is the side adjacent side. Okay, and this is the opposite side. So tan of 60 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Opposite side is AB, that is the length of the tower. Okay, and this BC, adjacent side is BC. Okay, so this is BC. So root 3 is equal to AB, and BC we considered as x. So AB is equal to root 3x. Okay, now let us consider an triangle ABD. Okay, now we'll consider the outer triangle ABD, this one. This triangle we are going to consider now, ABD. In this triangle we are given angle ADB is equal to 30 degree. That means theta is equal to 30 degree, and also here BD will be the adjacent side and AB will be the opposite side, right? So again we'll write tan of 30 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent, that means AB upon BD, and tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. AB we don't know, so let it be AB only. Okay, and this will be BD. BD will be 20 plus x. Okay, so let's name this equation as equation 1 and let us solve this. So AB here it will be 20 plus x upon root 3. Now this is also AB and this is also AB. So let's equate 1 and 2. So we'll get root 3x is equal to 20 plus x upon root 3, because these both are AB, no? This is also AB and this is also AB. That means they should be equal. Now on cross multiplying, what you will get is root 3 will get multiplied, so it will become 3x is equal to 20 plus x, and this implies this x will go here, so 3x minus x is equal to 20. So this gives you 2x is equal to 20. This implies x is equal to 10 meter, right? So we have found the value of x. That means this BC is 10 meter, or we can write here BC is equal to 10 meter. Now once you know BC, you can easily find AB. You can put either in equation 1. So put x is equal to 10 in equation 1. This was our equation. This was the equation AB is equal to root 3x. So I can write AB is equal to root 3 into 10, or I can say AB is equal to 10 root 3 meter. So that is our answer. So in the answer we had to find AB, that is height of the tower, is equal to 10 root 3, and also we had to find the distance BC, which came out to be 10 meter. So this is our solution. Okay. Question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, so let's draw the figure of this. Okay, first of all, let us draw the ground. On the ground there is a 7-meter high building. So this is a 7-meter high building and there is a cable tower. Okay, and it is saying that the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree from the top of a 7-meter high building. From here the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So first we'll have to draw the horizontal line, because with respect to this line only the angle of elevation will be 60 degree. So now this is 60 degree, that is given to you. Okay, now it is saying, and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. So from here the angle of depression is 45 degree. That means this angle is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. That means you have to find this whole height of the tower. So this was the building which was 7-meter high. So let us name it as AB, and suppose CD is the tower. Let E be this point. So now we have two triangles, right? Now look here. Now we have two triangles. One is triangle ACE. This is the triangle where this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 90 degree. Okay. And then we have triangle ABD. Now you can see very well that AE and BD are parallel to each other. AE and BD are parallel to each other. Therefore, this angle will also be 45 degree. Okay, because since AE is parallel to BD, therefore angle BDA will be same as angle EAD, that is 45 degree. Okay, so in this triangle also we have an information, and in this triangle also we have information, but here you can see in the lower triangle, that means in this triangle ABD, in this triangle. Okay, in this triangle we have this AB as 7 meter, and also we have this angle 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. So first we'll make use of this triangle. Okay, so let us consider in triangle ABD. Okay, theta is given to be 45 degree. Fine, this is 45 degree, and also AB, that is side opposite to 45 degree is 7 meter. This is also given to us. Okay, so again to find BD, okay, to find BD, what we'll do, we'll apply tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree will be opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BD. So opposite side AB is given to be 7 meter. BD we don't know. So let it be like this only, BD. Now we know tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 7 upon BD. So BD will be also equal to 7 meter. So this BD is also we have found as 7 meter. Okay, if this is 7 meter, now since AE is equal to BD, okay, AE is equal to BD, so this will be also 7 meter. That means AE is also 7 meter. This is forming a square now, because see, these lengths are equal. This length is equal to this length, and this length is equal to this length. So this is also 7 now. Now rest we want to find is, so this is also 7. Now we have to find CE. So next, in triangle AEC, you know this is 90 degree, right? Angle CEA is equal to 90 degree, and angle CAE, this angle is 60 degree, and we have to find CE. So again tan of 60 degree will be equal to side opposite upon side adjacent. So 60 degree के opposite side will be CE and side adjacent will be AE, and we know the value of AE, and also we know tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is √3 is equal to CE, we don't know, and we know AE, and AE is 7 meter. So CE will be equal to 7√3. Now we know ED. So now we can say height of the cable tower will be CE plus ED. Okay, so CE is 7√3 and ED is 7. So 7 we can take out common. So it will be root 3 plus 1 meter. This is the answer